15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. If reduced into writing, then no statement made by any person to a police officer in the course of an investigation under this chapter shall be signed by the person making it, or any part of such statement or record be used for any purpose. When any witness is called for the prosecution in such enquiry or trial, then any part of his statement may be used by the accused, and with the permission of the court, it can also be used by the prosecution to contradict such witness in the manner provided by Section 145 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, and when any part of such statement is so used, then any part may also be used in the re-examination of such witness, but only for the purpose of explaining any matter referred to his cross-examination. Nothing in this section shall be deemed to apply to any statement falling within the provisions of Section 32 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, or to affect the provisions of Section 27 of that Act. An omission to state a fact or circumstance in the statement may amount to contradiction if the same appears to be significant and relevant. It shall have regard to the context in which such omission occurs, and whether any omission amounts to a contradiction in the particular context shall be a question of fact. No police officer or other person in authority shall offer or make or cause to be offered or made any such inducement, threat, or promise as is mentioned in Section 24 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. But no police officer or other person shall prevent any person from making in the course of any investigation under this chapter any statement which may be disposed to make of his own free will and consent. Nothing in this section shall affect the provisions of Section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, whether any metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate may have jurisdiction in the case or not. He can record any confession or statement made to him in the course of an investigation under this chapter or under any other law for the time being in force or afterwards, or before the commencement of then inquiry or trial. No confession shall be recorded by a police officer on whom any power of a magistrate has been conferred under any law for the time being in force. Stop. Over.